Loving students of class 12, now I want to discuss the MCQ problems on functions. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैंने कुछ सवाल नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन और रिलेशन पर आधारित सवाल को मैंने एक वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको भेजा। अब फिर फंक्शंस और नंबर ऑफ फंक्शंस के सवाल को दूसरे वीडियो में भेज रहा हूँ। आप इन सारे सवालों को एक एक सवालों को बनाइए और उसमें जो फार्मूला, उसमें जो विचार, उसमें जो थॉट अप्लाई किया गया उसको ठीक से सीखिए, अप्लाई कीजिए, तभी आप अच्छे से सवाल कर पाइए। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, लेट A and B be two non-empty finite sets such that cardinal number of A is equal to P and cardinal number of B is equal to Q. The number of functions from A to B is Q to the power P, P to the power Q, Q to the power 2P, none of these. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, इस सवाल को बनाने के लिए फंक्शन के डिफिनेशन को सही तरीके से जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है और काउंटिंग का स्किल डेवलप करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इट इज गिवन दैट देयर आर P एलिमेंट्स इन सेट X. A. How many elements? P elements. X1, X2, so on XP. And in set B there are Q elements, YQ, and there is a function F. Then you have to find out, you have to determine how many function will form between A and B. You must aware the rule of countings. Suppose here X1 is an element in domain in set A. Then what do we observe? We observe that it has how many chances? Q chances. Q chances. The image of X1 can be formed at Y1. Image of X1 can be formed at Y2. So on, image of X1 can be formed at XQ. So how many chances? Q chances. Similarly, X2 has how many chances? Q chances. Number of choices for mapping pth element is also Q. And now we multiply all these choices. We will get how many times? P times. It is Q to the power P. So hence A is correct option. Because Q is multiplied by P times, so it will be Q to the power P. Number 2, if A is equal to collection of element 1, 2, how many 1, 1 functions from A to A are possible? What do we observe? We observe that here there is a function from A to A to A, 1, 2, 1, 2. One has 2 options. Similarly, 2 has 2 options. See here, how many 1, 1 functions? 1 has 2 options. If we start from 1, 2 has also 1 option. It will be 2 into 1, that is factorial 2. So option A is correct. What will be the total number of functions from A to B? If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to ABC, 6, 8, 4, none of these. Cardinal number of A is equal to 3 and cardinal number of B is equal to 3. What will be the total number of functions from A to B? Total number. My dear students, now see what will be the total number of 1, 1 functions from A to B. If A has how many elements? 3 elements. B has also 3 elements. So cardinal number of A is equal to 3 and cardinal number of B is equal to 3. So it will be factorial 3 or 3p3, that is 6. So option is A is correct option. What will be the total number of 1 function from A to B if A has 3 elements and B has 4 elements? So now cardinal number of A is equal to 3, cardinal number of B is equal to 3. Cardinal number of A less than cardinal number of B. Hence number of 1 function is from A to B is, suppose we start from 1. It has 4 chances. 2, it has 3 chances. 3, it has 2 chances. That is 24. Or 4p3, that is also 24. In this way we can solve this type of problem. Now, what will be the number of 1 function from A to B, where A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to ABC? 24, 6, 9, 0. My dear student, cardinal number of A is equal to 4 and cardinal number of B is equal to 3. So 1, 1. So we, from the formula, if you remember the formula, every element of X has unique image in Y. In this case, every element of A has not unique image of in B, so it is not a function. It doesn't satisfy the definition of function. So you must know the definition of function. You must remember the definition of function. Then only you can apply. Now, this is problem number 11, exercise 1.2, and this is a problem of number 6 of study material. If a function R to R be defined as fx is equal to x to the power 4, choose the correct answer. F is 1, 1 on 2, F is many 1 on 2, F is 1, 1 but not on 2, F is neither 1, 1 nor on 2. Now, consider fx is equal to x to the power of 4. Let image of x1 is equal to image of x2. X1 to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 4. And it will be x1 to the power 4 minus x2 to the power 4 is equal to 0. It is x1 square plus x2 square into x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. But x1 plus x2 square is not equal to 0. Therefore, x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. Therefore, x1 is equal to plus minus x2. So, fx1 is equal to fx2 does not imply that x1 is equal to x2. x1 x2 बराबर नहीं है इसमें. गर्चे यदि हम मान लिए fx1 fx2 के बराबर है, then you have to prove x1 is equal to x2. For example, particular f1 is equal to f minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 का इमेज भी 1 to the power 1 बनेगा और minus 1 का इमेज भी minus 1 to the power 4 पर 1 बनेगा. So f is not 1, 1. Now for on 2, let y belongs to R be any element. Then image of x is equal to y. X to the power 4 is equal to y. So x is equal to square root of the fourth root of y. So y is equal to minus 1 belongs R. We have x does not belongs to R. We will not get any value if y is equal to minus 1. So f is not on 2. Hence D is correct option. D is correct option. Now my dear student, we want to discuss problem number 7 and problem number 12 of the exercise 1.2. Let f is a function from R to R be defined by fx is equal to 3x. Choose the correct answer. F is 1, 1 on 2, f is many 1 on 2, f is 1, 1 but not on 2, f is neither 1, 1 nor on 2. My dear students, f is a function from R to R defined by image of x is equal to 3 times the object. Let xy belongs to R such that image of x is equal to image of y. 3x is equal to 3y, x is equal to y, so f is 1, 1. And in second case, or on 2, let y is equal to fx, y is equal to 3x, so x is equal to y by 3. If we put any value of y, real number, we get also its pre-image in x. for any real value of y, we get the corresponding pre-image belongs to R. So F is onto. So A is correct answer. Problem number 8. If A is equal to collection of element 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to collection of element A, B, C, how many functions will form from A to B? How many onto function, not function. How many onto function? So cardinal number of x is equal to cardinal number of y. Number of onto function is factorial 3. That is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Now, alternative method. Total number of function minus many one function. I want to make it clear this formula. Here, if you want to find the onto function, then if you will find total number of function and it will be subtracted from many one function, then it will be onto function. So total number of function is 1, 3 option, 2 को 3 option, 3 को 3 option, 3 to the power q, माइनस 3 में से 1 सेलेक्ट किया, बाकी 2 का इमेज, 1 का इमेज, 2 का लिए 2 ऑप्शन, 3 के लिए 2 ऑप्शन, 2 to the power q, 3c1 3 minus 1 to the power q, minus 3c2 3 minus 2 to the power q, 3c3 ये समझने के लिए 3 minus 3 to the power q. My dear student, 3c1 3 minus 1 to the power cube 2 cube, 3c2 3 and 3 minus 2 to the power whole cube, that is 1. So that is 3. So 27 minus 24 minus 3, that is 27 minus 21. So A is correct option. My dear student, what do you observe? We observe that we can solve this problem by 2 ways. एक तरीका ये गिनती का है. क्या गिनती का? इसको एक इमेज, इसको 2 ऑप्शन, इसको 3 ऑप्शन. तो 3 ऑब्जेक्ट को आपस में अरेंज करेंगे तो फैक्टोरियल 3 ढंग से करेंगे. तो ऑन टू फंक्शन को हम इस तरह बनाए, फिर दूसरे तरह से बनाए. ये सेकंड मेथड हम आपके दिमाग में प्रिंट के रूप में रखना चाहते हैं. सारा चीज़ वीडियो में तफसील से दिया हुआ है, इन डिटेल दिया हुआ है. माय डियर स्टूडेंट, ए इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ आई वांट टू डिस्कस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 9. इफ ए इज इक्वल टू कलेक्शन ऑफ एलिमेंट 1 2 3, बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी सी डी, then how many onto function will form from A to B? My dear student, A is equal to 1 2 3, cardinal number of A is equal to 3, B is equal to ABC, cardinal number of B is equal to 4. So NA less than NB, cardinal number of A less than cardinal number of B. Then what do you observe? How many onto function? So you will get that here in the domain and codomain, number of elements of codomain is greater than number of elements of domain. तो क्या देगा? ये onto फंक्शन नहीं होगा, एक एलिमेंट कम से कम खाली रह जाएगा. किस में? बी में. Hence number of onto function from A to B is 0. Option A is correct. Now we want to discuss problem number 10. If A is equal to collection of element 1 2 3 4, B is equal to ABC, then how many onto function will form from A to B? 36, 6, 8, 12. A is equal to collection of element 1 2 3 4, B is equal to collection of element ABC. Cardinal number of A greater than cardinal number of B. So number of onto functions is equal to total number of function minus number of into function. So total number of function, ये देखिए, 1 को 3 चांस, 2 को 3 चांस, 3 को 3 चांस, 4 को 3 चांस, 3 to the power 3c1 3 minus 1 to the power 4, 3 में से 1 खाली रहेगा, minus 3c2 3 में से 2 खाली रह सकता है मिनिमम के लिए, 3c3 3 minus 3 to the power 4, इसका जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो 3 into 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 1 to the power 4, that is 81 minus 48 plus 3. And that is 84 minus 48, that is 36. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Now, my dear student, we want to solve the next problem 11. If a function f from n to n defined by the rule fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2, if n is odd, n by 2, if n is even, then which of the function f is 1 1 into 1 1 onto many 1 onto many 1, none of these. Since fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, particular example, if n is equal to 1. f1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. If n is equal to 2, then it will be 2 by 2, that is 1. 1, 2 belongs to domain such that 1 is not equal to 2. But f1 is equal to f2. But f1 is equal to f2. दो ऑब्जेक्ट का वैल्यू अलग अलग है, लेकिन रूल के हिसाब से इमेज एक है. रूल के हिसाब से इमेज एक है, इसलिए कैसा फंक्शन हो गया? मेनी वन फंक्शन. नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड वेदर इट इज इवन, वेदर इट इज ऑन टू और नॉट. सो सिंस n is an odd natural number, then 2n minus 1 is also odd natural number. So function of 2n minus 2 is 2n minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is n. If n is even natural number, then 2n is also an even natural number such that f2n is equal to 2n by 2, that is n. Thus for every n belongs to n, whether even or odd, there exists its pre-image in n. So f is many one onto function. So C is correct option. Now problem number 2. F is a function from R to R defined by image of x is equal to x by x square plus 1. For all x belongs to R, is neither 1 1 nor onto, many 1 into, many 1 onto, none of these. My dear student, rule is fx is equal to x square plus 1. We want to first solve it by particular method. Put x is equal to 2. f2 is equal to 2 by 2 square plus 1, that is 2 by 5. Put f is equal to 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 square plus 1, that is 1 by 1 plus 4, that is 4 by 5, that is 4 by 5. One by 2. 1 by 2 into 4 by 5, that is 2 by 5. That is 2 by 5. So what do you observe? 2 और 1 by 2 दोनों का इमेज एक ही मिल रहा है. So it is many one. It is not 1 1. So now for remaining parts, thus f is not 1 1. Alternative method. Since fx is equal to x by x square plus 1, for all x belongs to R, fx1 is equal to fx2, x1 by x1 square plus 1 is equal to x2 by x2 square plus 1. And after solving, we have x1 minus x2 into x1 into x2 minus 1 is equal to 0. So either x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to x2. When x1 into x2 minus 1 is equal to 0, then x1 into x2 is not equal to 1. Not equal to 1. Since x1 is equal to x2, which is not possible, therefore fx is not 1 1. Now, for on to fx is x by x square plus 1, put the value of fx is equal to y. So y is equal to x by x square plus 1. And if you take the product, you will get x square into y plus y minus x is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in term of x square. So d is equal to b square minus 4s. That is minus 1 square 4y into y. That is 1 minus 4y square. For real roots, d greater than equal to 0. 1 minus 4y greater than equal to 0. So 1 greater than equal to 4y square. 4y square greater than equal to 1. Y square less than equal to 1 by 4. Y less than equal to 1 by 3. This implies y less than equal, greater than equal to minus 1 by 2. So we can write the domain minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 less than equal to y less than equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, this proves function is not onto. Hence, A is correct answer. A is correct answer. Now, my dear student, now perhaps this was the last problem. Now I hope you have understood all the solution of all the problems, and you do first the practice of all multiple type of questions, 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be possible. Then you study about the new topics. My dear student, I hope you would be able to solve now the most problem of NCERT. Thank you. Thank you very much.